We've got some pickled okra, y'all, that we're gonna deep fry, and we're serving them with a creamy chipotle dip. You know, we just love our fried okra, but we usually fry fresh okra.
Right.
But today we are gonna fry some pickled, and I'm gonna start.
I love pickled okra.
I do too, Bobby. They're so good. Well, I'm gonna start by using a fry mix. Okay. And you're gonna make a chipotle sauce.
That's right.
For us to dip our fried okra in, right, son?
That's right.
I'm gonna mix a cup and a quarter of our fry mix, Bobby. And I've got a deep fryer heating up on 350, y'all. And I'm gonna measure out a cup of beer. You can use any kind of beer you like. And you go ahead and do what you do.
Okay. I'm gonna watch and see what you do with the leftovers of that beer is what I'm gonna be watching what you do.
All right, now I'm just gonna mix my beer.
It's not quite cold, so I won't have it. Well, let's start the creamy chipotle sauce.
Okay.
I'm gonna use an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And you know, cream cheese is really hard, so you'll wanna let that sit out and sort of soften before you begin to do this so you don't have a really clumpy mess. So 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayo.
I really like for my beer batter to sit on the counter for a few hours because that yeast from the beer has a chance to interact with the flour and it'll get thicker and just make your things really fluffy.
And this canned chipotle, I'm gonna use 1 pepper out of here and just whatever clings to it is gonna go in. And I'm going to juice 2 limes. And that's it. There's really not much else to it.
All right, because I don't have time for this to sit, I'm gonna add just a wee bit more fry mix to just thicken it up a little bit.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. Shouldn't take long.
And we have drained our okra. That's gonna be good, Bobby.
That was pretty easy.
So what all do you have in there, son?
Canned chipotle peppers, and I used 1 pepper and just everything that was clinging to it when I pulled it out of the can.
Oh my gosh.
Because that stuff's pretty, kind of smoky. And you know, you can always, what you've always taught me is that you can always add some more, but you can never take it out. So if it's not smoky enough, we can add another pepper.
All right, so I'm just gonna drop my okra down into my bat. Ooh, that's got a little heat to it, Bobby, once it settles on the back of your tongue.
Very good, very good. I'm gonna bowl this up a little bit.
Okay, and I'm just gonna get my okra covered. Now, if you wanna use fresh okra, you certainly can. You don't have to use pickled.
All right, there's that. Look how fast and how easy that was.
Yes, I love it.
Ooh, getting to frying.
And we're probably looking at 2 to 3 minutes fry time. I love the way these are looking, Bobby.
These are gonna be so, so good.
And you can hear the sound of it. It's kind of stop sizzling. So I'm gonna just gently pull this out and let it drain. I think you need for me to zest your lemon,
If you don't mind, that would be great.
Or do you want me to zest the whole lemon,
Please,
Bobby?
now that I got my hands kind of dirty.
And we'll let this cool for a minute because that's gonna be hotter than we can imagine. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna load our okra up, Bobby, on our platter. Look how delicious this does look. I sure do want to try it. Now, I'm just gonna garnish our okra with some chopped green onions. But first, I gotta try that coleslaw.
Probably put a little bit of that coleslaw on my, well, I got you a fork, but I don't reckon you need it.
Oh my gosh, that's so good, y'all.
Is it good?
Real lemony.
That's
Isn't
so
that yummy?
Good.
All right.
Never heard anything.
Well, this is our little appetizer, Bobby. So.
So simple and so quick.
Looks so pretty.
Oh, man.
And it tastes even prettier.
Oh, man. That's great.
Yum.
That is great.
Isn't that great?